Hello, welcome to Sherry's Decor and More. I am Sherry, and today we're going to learn how to turn this fabulous wood into a floral arrangement. If you have not subscribed to my page, please do so, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Okay. Y'all, I showed before how to do this wood floral hanger, but I am continuously getting messages of, can you do that on your live from start to beginning? So my mom wanted one of these, so I'm going to design one here from start to from beginning to end, not start to beginning, beginning to end, and show you exactly all the steps I did to design this floral board. Now, sometimes people like to have what they call a pancake wreath. It's a mesh wreath and it's real thin, and it's normally used when people have a normal door and a storm door, and they like to hang it between the two doors. And hey, Sarika, but they don't want it to be mushed. Well, a pancake wreath normally is 3 to 4 inches thick, and that's how people hang a wreath between those two doors. Me, I just hang mine on the outside of my storm door. It hangs just fine as if it were a regular front door, and I don't have a problem with it. However, some people cannot do that. So my mom saw me design one of these on the live one day, and she said, I think that would work. I said, okay, let's do one. So here we are, start to finish, and you'll see how easy this is and how long it takes. It doesn't take long at all. Now, if you have scrap wood laying around in your garage, get you a piece of it. You can make this as long and as wide as you want it to be. No standard to it. This was a piece cut off of something, a scrap piece in my garage. So my husband sanded down all the sides of it for me so it wouldn't be edgy and scratchy or chippy wood. So all of that is done, and now I'm just going to start designing it. I like to use, hello Lisa Short, I like to use a dark stain, and then I do a light paint wash over it of whatever color I like to use. This thing right here is just Art Minds Wax Antique. I get it from Michael's. It's not my go-to for a lot of projects, but when I'm just staining a piece of wood just to get a brown look to it, this is a great one to use. Super easy. Just to dry it up just a little bit before I do a paint wash on it. I always like to say this, these are heat guns for crafting. Please do not let your kids play with these. They get very hot, very hot. I'm going to do a sage brush on here. Just a color I like. It's no particular reason that I'm doing it. I'm just doing it. I think it blends well with floral designs, so that's just what I do. I'm not trying to hit it perfect. I'm just literally taking the brush and going like this. I'm leaving brown spots in it, as you can see. I say a wash, but I'm using a brush. hit. That's all you have to do. It looks good. It makes it look, you know, that agey, the paint's wearing off of it type thing. Don't forget to hit your sides because part of it will be seen. There we go. That's all I'm hitting. See, you can still see brown in it. Just a hit and miss. When you do paint like this, there is nothing that says it has to be all colored. That's what makes it unique. So just hit and miss. If you're ever painting and you're on the live and you don't know what to do with this afterwards, just put it back down in your paint thing until you're done, then you can wash it out. Or if you get a cup with ice in it and water, the ice, you can put your paintbrush down in that ice and the ice will act like an abrasion and wash off your paintbrush for you. Me, I just stick it down in the paint. Got that done. Craft guns. If you don't have one, get you one. They're great and inexpensive on Amazon. You don't have to buy these $100 drying guns. Okay. Ooh, not that. Well, this stick is trying to run away from me in this thing. Here it is. Okay. The first one I had done on these that I showed you all, I used a plastic container that brought it out to about 2 inches or so. I used that on this to hold the flowers in it. You don't have to do that, and today I'm not doing that because my mom will want it thin enough to hang between her doors. So we have to make sure that we do that. I need to cut a little bit of this thickness off or it's going to be too thick for her door. This should do it. This makes this about 2 inches. Right, Mom? Okay. So I'm going to put some glue on this. I'm going to bring it, I'm going to keep it pretty low. I'm going to bring it about 1 inch from the edge. Don't want it all the way to the edge. So I put it about 1 inch from the edge. That's where I'll keep that. Now because this is going between a main door and a storm door, right, okay, Mom. Y'all, I got glue strings on my arms. I gotta get it off. That drives me. That's like walking through those string webs, and you got this all over your arms. I can't stand it. Okay, because we are going for as thin as we possibly can for my mother's door, I have chosen florals that are straight up, not wide florals. That would defeat the purpose because they would just get smushed. So I'm doing florals that go straight up. Okay? Here's what we have so far. Just building it up. Then I'll put a little yellow right in the front, right here. Okay, before I do any more sticking to this, I want to do my burlap wrap, okay? So, all you need to do is measure you a piece of burlap the size of your board. Let me cut this up here. You can buy those rolls of burlap from Michael's. I'm going to use my staple gun to attach this burlap. I'm going to stand up so I can put some strength on it. Not that it's hard, but you know. Let's fold this up. Staple it. Now you have your styrofoam covered, okay? But I'm not done. But I'm not done. Okay. I want to do some greenery, just coming over the burlap, you know, like just fun wrapping around the burlap with the florals. Okay. Good morning, Miss Callie. I'll dip this in glue. I'll stick it down in here. Y'all, I'm not even punching this greenery into the styrofoam. I put glue on it and I'm pressing the burlap down on top of it. So the burlap will hold it where I want it to be. Okay. Just some little pops of green. And I'm going to put a bow on, and then I'll sit back and look at it and say, I want more floral, or I don't need more floral. But I have to add my bow first before I make that decision. This down in my glue. If you do this, please be careful doing this. This is what I do. Now push it on this burlap. She is perfect. And then on the back of here, Look at it so far, if y'all can see the details of it. It's really pretty. I would finish the back of this, but my mom, she doesn't care. It's not going to be seen. If I was making this for a customer, I would finish the back of this all day long. Don't get me wrong. You always finish it. I think Mom Very Pretty may have to order one of those too in rustic patriotic colors. Yeah, that's a staple. For extra security. Got glue on. Okay. Now, let me fix my smushy bow. Out there, me and learning this new way of hanging a door decor. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you.